Hi, this is Candace here, and I want to thank you if you're new and thank you if you're returning. I'm coming to you today with an unboxing. Okay, so I want you to stop before I get into this thing. I want you to like this video because your girl is trying to get recognized in these YouTube streets. You know what I'm saying? I'll give you a minute or whatever. Okay. Got my little knife here. I ordered me some stuff from H&M. And it came super fast. I think I ordered this like Sunday. Did I order it Sunday? Yeah, I ordered it Sunday. Okay. Oh, this is stuff for me. I don't know why I just said oh like that. Okay, so I bought this lavender halter top. It's gonna be so cute. Y'all know how I feel about purple. I feel like this is so cute. I wear my little pasties. I don't think I wear my pasties with this. I'll wear the bra that I have. That's like a halter bra. But yeah. Love this. Throw all the stuff in the box down there. I bought this lavender bag. It was just so cute. It was so cute. I'm like, I need this bag in my life. Look at this. I really love this jumbo handle. And then the little lavender bag. This is cute. This is cute. But I'm wondering if it's scorching hot outside. This is going to be hot, right? Zip it. It's a nice pretty size inside. My phone and lip gloss and wallet or whatever. What is this, I wonder? What is this? This looks kind of small. What size is this? Oh, this is for my 8-year-old. I bought her this. It says Amazing Days. I think I went on clearance and I bought her some, like, yeah, I thought this was cute. So, cause sister girl act like she don't be having no tops. And this, I bought the kids some stuff. So first I'm just gonna get to me. First we gonna do me, okay? What's this little silver bag? This will go so nice with my ones. I had a silver bag years ago that I love. I bought it from the Gap. And it faded, like all the silver kind of came off. Isn't this cute? Oh my gosh, this is adorable. It has this little clasp thing, and then doesn't have much space in the other one, but my phone could fit or whatever. This is a crossbody bag. the crossbody. This is cute, and it has the leather on the handle. This is cute or whatever. This is cute. This is cute. I put this top for me. It's a gray top. It says across states. Now, anybody who knows me knows that I love pajamas. I love pajamas. I love robes. So I bought me a cute little pajama set. This is the top. It has peaches on it. And these are the bottoms. These are like shorts or whatever. I remember I had my cousin. I remember we call her Peach. We call her Peach. It's so funny because when we was out with my best friend, her sister was like, do y'all notice that it was hot today, so that's why I have this on, like the visor. My friend's sister was like, do y'all notice that everyone has a nickname that's food? Because we had a peach, we had a honey, we had a milkshake. One of my cousins said she was a milkshake. My niece was honey. Like everybody, I was like, wow, I didn't even notice that. Ooh, yes, yes. Yes, yes. These are some faux leather white pants. Yes. Yes, I love these. I love these. Oh my gosh, and that little drawstring up front. So I could do the baggy on bottom with some high top sneakers. And then it has the, I don't know what to call this, at the ankle. So cute. So cute. These are some sweatpants because sometimes, not sometimes, a lot of times, I just want to just throw on something really simplistic and still cute. These have a little drawstring. Everything needs to come with pockets. Yeah. It's a nice color. It's not gray. It's kind of like, what is it, gray? I don't know. This stuff was cheap. And, yes. A white jean jacket. I wanted a white jean jacket for the longest. And I was gonna get, one from Fashion Nova, but they were like $44. And I'm like, Oh, this is kind of big. But it's still cute or whatever. It's still cute. Yep, I'm happy with that. I don't know whether I'm gonna I think I'm gonna distress it. I'm gonna distress it. I'll probably do that. I most likely will do that on camera too. And these are my black faux leather pants. I'm happy. I'm happy. Oh yes. Who gonna check me, boo? Who is gonna check me? Oh, this is it's gonna be a lituation. I'm not gonna wear these in the summer. I'll probably wear these in the fall. Oh yes, this would be so cute. So cute. Okay, so that's it for me. Now let's get on to my daughters or whatever. I looked and I was like, I'm not gonna buy them much. I already went shopping for them. But there was some stuff that was, I just went to the clearance. And there was some things that was so cute. This one says, best sister. Aww. That's it. I'm proud of myself. I only bought the girls 2 things. How many parents always buy their kids something? I'm happy I didn't. That concludes my H&M haul. Let me know below, what are your favorite things? Alright, I'll go first. Okay. I love the little silver bag. I love that. I love this little silver bag. I love the faux leather pants and the jean jacket. Those are like, I'm in love. Okay, thanks for watching.